Hello everyone! Today we are sharing with you our trip to the Basilica of Our Lady of Scherpenheuvel, a church located in the small town of 𝚃𝚑𝚎 in Belgium. This historic site is one of the most important pilgrimage destinations in the country, and for good reason. The Basilica has a rich history that dates back to the early 17th century, when a wooden statue of the Virgin Mary was discovered by a shepherd boy in the nearby woods. The statue was soon recognized as miraculous, and a small chapel was built on the site of the discovery. Over the centuries, the site grew in importance and size, with the current basilica being built in the 17th century in a Baroque style. The basilica has since undergone several renovations and additions, including the addition of a tower in the 19th century. The interior of the basilica is truly breathtaking. The Baroque style is evident throughout, with ornate sculptures, paintings, and gold accents adorning the walls and ceilings. The main altar is particularly impressive, with a statue of the Virgin Mary holding the baby Jesus at its center. The Basilica of Our Lady of Scherpenheuvel holds great significance for Catholics in Belgium and beyond. It is believed that praying at the Basilica can bring about miracles and healings, and it is a popular pilgrimage destination for those seeking spiritual renewal. But even for those who aren't Catholic, the Basilica is a remarkable sight to behold. Its stunning architecture and rich history make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the culture and heritage of Belgium. In summary, the Basilica of Our Lady of Scherpenheuvel is a truly remarkable site. Its history, architecture, and spiritual significance make it a destination worth visiting for anyone in Belgium. Whether you're looking for a place to pray, reflect, or simply marvel at the beauty of the building, the Basilica is sure to leave a lasting impression.